Alright, yes, alright. It's Ankole Media. I think this I'm also with the sparks in one savage on it. Yes, mutaiwanje no kuturebera ona entugamba ngo chokwa necha mani we bari kusubscribing we bari kufollowing we bari gumano keeping up with our content. So mutaiwanje we bari gumano kuratila Western Uganda music. Can talking about Western Uganda music. It has gone to an extent kugira ngo all the time to batu in a new faces day in day out. So right about now nyine hano yabashije abashatu banjira ngo nubo ba B2C bambara ningasaba Western Uganda abakweta ngo Jaagglers Entertainment aka Rock Music. So basebo twabakira Nkore Media.
Mwebare Munonga.
Amazina gabase.
Kiswine.
Wanji?
Kiswine kuruga mu Jaagglers Entertainment.
Kiswine.
This is CEO Jaagglers Entertainment, and of course I also come from Rock Music.
Yeah, when Aaron didn't Rock Music Jaagglers Entertainment.
Jaagglers Entertainment ninke ekibina ekira combining abantu bashatu. Buri omwine mizina. R stands for Rigano Queer, A stands for Aaron Didn't, then K stands for Kiswine.
So ladies and gentlemen, watch for these guys are so creative to the extent bakajanga bakora mu mazina gabo their initials bakakora mu izina lya their group. So mwamara bwire bucyo mukweshongora.
This crew tukajitandika mu 2018. So that means that this is the 6th year when we are dealing with this crew, and so we have been doing it together since song 1 up to right now. Hati tunageshongora mukaga na mwene kituri mu shows rizoba. We are in Mbarara because hinecheshongo kituri mu premieringa kugira ngo atongera habe bitu atwine tugire tongera kare kuchitera kurunje Munonga.
So among those songs ezimwine no basakuchereza mu like akapera kugira ngo umuntu ari yo kwamanya ngo so these are the boys.
Oh yeah.
Jaagglers Entertainment Rock Music.
Aindukira omutesi chandenga mama. Dyaremwa mundetera kasati mutware mutere surprise.
Yeah. Sure. I feel so good when I touch your body. You wonder tukunda nenkabalongo
So yes.
Takambwina akazana. Akazano oguno mwoti.
Yes, alright. So kwa bahurano urangu waka mweri. So right now mu Western Uganda mwamala music mwamala myaka mukaga mukola Western mukora music mujukora bicabona mugamo no murumba ngam.
Itwe main turuga Rukungiri, a part of Nyachenyi, that is our home district and the village, and today being here to our shows cheshongoro kuna nagambire, kind of course we are done, so we are just encouraging you that you wait for the new vibe. Turikwisha namani minji kandi kintu turi primaringa Munonga kugira ngo tongera kubahereza the best of Jaagglers Entertainment music kandi Western Uganda of course, and the whole country Uganda.
So kumwachura they are from Rukungiri, these are my home guys. So right about now mwazirangu so omjeje myaka like mukuza kutandika ikintu mugashanga mutamukana mwega kumweninga mu ruga cyaro kimwe mukiza kwebona buntimwe basatimu.
Turuza kutandika kweshongora nkatandika na Kiswine, konga Kiswine akabari kwega na Didn't at first, but nyonta kumanya Didn't konga kunijire natandika ho nogo kweshongora nisha nareba maraka gitu gaitenga mu umuntu wo kuvibinga oguno wa nko kwari kutu ine deep voice so ogumwana so ajirati nyino my friend atikana naona araking ibintu bya music, so tushitama tumweta tuganira by then twatune one song twatune cheshongoro kimwe kandi wari kutwagira twashara mu tumugiteho. So since then cheshongoro cyo kuba cha kabiri akwisana hati you have been with this guy kandi ntushemererwa abo kwani turebe kintari munachi picking na chitera kurunje Munonga kandi chito bintu tumwendera of course turiyo tuchikaho.
So umuntu nabasa kwebuza imwe mukiza kuba inspired by who umuko basa kwegomba right now mu Western Uganda kugira ngo you speak to the lenses zako kwana zako bana kureba just know mu Western Uganda we no waragambe right in the lenses.
Of course mbasa nyonko muntu kubanye nyine mbasa kubanye no muntu wa inspiring jire nyo muntu wa inspiring jire akabari Reggie kare ni Reggie nkaba nkiri muto like I was in primary I think we are teaching ngoro chenshazi ekishongoro kisha cyankwataho na urameno mazima naenda nti I be like Roy G konka after kutoa marire na twamara kuforminga ho these guys na sharamunti kale na shwana jiraho B2C this B2Cs that's why we are forming this 3 people kugira nti we also make a crew of 3 people that is in Western region.
So sebo no yegomba mu Western Uganda.
Mu Western umuntu wende yegomba ni General Gioni. Mwana uri akana yeshongora na yeshongoro lya mwana akantera cyeshongoro hamira halinye cyeshongoro kikankolera
boss.
Mu Western Uganda nyo mwishongozo ngukira kukunda Munonga una kutwa mu buto namwita Megaton Fred Marshall. Music yene njikunda Munonga kuruga kale nturagane muhajira natia niwe no mwishongoza karuna wa tirame kintu cyo kujana nyingire music industry.
So right about now, General Gioni, Megaton, Ray G, so these are your boys right now. These are the people you have nurtured, these are the people you have inspired, and it feels so good niching to impacting kushanga music yokukola right now yoko kujukola behind the scenes mbali abantu abakwali in the other back end abantu abakobana babifuna inspiration. So right now murebere challenge cy'umukweshongora nkabasha abantu nabasa kwibuza kuza bishongozo no mara mutanyagurika mu kipinje mudakora ngamyaka mpaga ngumurahamwe.
Okuchikora tukugira nti tufunire mu challenges ninga shi kugira ngo turi perfect konka kurugirira the way how we modeled ourselves tukagira ngo we form this thing. First of all I first encouraged these 2 boys kugira ngo tukwatanise tukwatanise tukore kintu eki kimwe abo kuba kare mweno natwana tukore ibintu bitu nobo rikora kintu uri kumanyoti eki kintu kitanyeza mutayi wanje uri kunchenga ekintu kitanyeza mutayi wanje kandi because twatwere tubireba twagira ngo ekintu bikutura bikutuma abeshongozi baba kare baba apart ninga shiba bayawukana twareba ngo ekintu cyo kwanza twa avoidinga before even we forming this crew cyatuma cyatuyamba kugira ngo hati yayituri titukatunjiremo kwemurgunya ninga shikushanga turi kushasha kugira nti one of us is not good at all. We are all the best.
So umuntu okwetaga music yange najiyanka because right now abantu mwabamanyere rock music Jaagglers entertainment so ato umuntu arikobenda nabashanka music yanyera mu gitamburiza CD na flash ninga.
Of course, Jaagglers Entertainment as a crew, we already have the YouTube channel that is on YouTube. Then Twitter, we are also there at Jaagglers Entertainment. Then you can also follow us on Twitter. I don't think that on all platforms, even these music platforms that always Zikusenga music. We have hobbies. We are already there. We have Jaja, that is .com. Then we have NDJ Twine to Tironyski Twine ho mududu.com. We are already there. We have tried all the best video with the music on all the platforms. On Facebook, you can just follow us on Jaagglers Entertainment page. Then I think mostly one what we end talk to we are already even on Google. We have updated our name. We are also there. So you guys, we are ready to bring you the best of Western music. This is Jaagglers Entertainment from Rukungiri Nyachishenyi.
So now to the people right now ebigambo byamuheru
Yenga Kiswahili bigambo byamuheru. People, we need your support. Twetagobu obuwezi bwanyu. Ntubasima Munonga na itwikire nimwe. Mwebare Munonga.
My close remarks goes to Mbarara people. Abani muna turebesha heji aitwa isa kugira nti tubase kubana tukorera this interview kandi abandi bikufasa kwa kwendeza kugira nti bonjire kukunda music yitu. It's Western Uganda, reka tukunde music yitu. Of course our home district, that is Rukungiri. We are there to represent you kandi nshemererwa Munonga twale ubuhagizi bwanyu ahandi nasigara ndi Regan Okwir, the CEO Jaagglers Entertainment.
Ibigambo byanje byamuheru kanya Aaron Dident ninshaba abantu mwena mutuhereza ubuhagizi nicyo turi kwetaga Munonga kandi kindi mwenje ukunda music ya Western Uganda mutubera abahagizi barungi nitutubabera beshongozi barungi kandi mwemwe bari kutaya isamazima twabasima Munonga.
So ladies and gentlemen, kwa Mwebare, these guys need your support. Nwabetaba Jaagglers Entertainment, Rock Music. So itu NKORE Media wish you nothing but all the best. So mukaria yanyu kana mwana mota mwaika wa Kebson mwachika mawe za nyasanze za nyachisenyi mbatu akure mujangu as NKORE Media ndo bakundeshe bakola. Let them subscribe, let them follow all our music platform. Nabantu bade Sparks na baine Savage camera. See you when you see me.